Si quieres agarrar de abajo, es más práctico.
Ok.
¿Le alzas?
Ese es aquí, uno allá, What up guys, welcome back to another episode of Full Ventures. We are here right now loading up all the orders that we need for this weekend, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. We got one truck loaded up and right now he's backing in the other one. We're here at the warehouse. Este es el último que iba así a su mesa. ¿Este? Yeah.
Do we need any tarps?
There's still 3 more bouncy houses alone.
¿Tres más?
Yeah. Another one down. Put the paperwork in here. Alright, so now we just got an order that's going alone with just chairs and tables. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in this truck. Alright guys, so we loaded everything up except for 3, but we're gonna get those in the morning because all trucks are full. We'll catch you guys in the morning. What's up guys, good morning. He's already gonna take it down. Va a ser ese morado. Buenos días. Buenos días. Don't got that much space, but
close till I get up. Time.
Para que prueben café cubano.
Un cafecito cubano. Sí. Que le gusta el café mucho, ahí viene, mire.
Ah, sí. Ah, pues mira, cámbiale la taza, que este tiene menos. Este tiene más.
Ok, ajá.
Ah, muchas gracias. Sí, lo llegué a probar otra vez. Aquí está la...
Cálalo.
Mucha gente después que lo prueban, sí.
Está bueno este. Fuerte.
Está fuerte, sí. El café americano,
No, sí está fuerte.
el café americano, tú sabes que
So, as we were setting it up, this blower has a problem. It's not working right, so we had to switch it out. And we're gonna put this one, and we're gonna have to go back to the warehouse and get a new one. Alright, we switched out the blower, there it is. Tarps down, everything's working fine. We checked inside, everything's clean. Now we head on to the next one.
It's time to go deliver. It is 7:45. 7:45. Got the boss man waiting for me. We had to wake up a little early since we had to go out of town to deliver this order. We just arrived. Currently 8:10. Start landing the tables and chairs right here. We've delivered here before, so this is likes us to leave the stuff, and once they wake up, they come out and set it up however they like.
Time is barely on our side. I don't.
Yeah, we just made it back to the warehouse. We gotta load up 3 bouncy house and get those delivered as soon as possible.
Wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
¿Parece?
Nada más cambié.
Y agarraste, okay, those. Yeah, we gotta switch the blower out because that one's having... Me voy a llevar este que está un poco más nuevo. Sí.
So we have made it to the drop off of the first bouncy house for us. We are currently unloading it. All right, yo, so we have ran into a little issue. The customer told us to go ahead and go through the side door, but we don't fit through here. This thing is not gonna go through. So now we either gotta figure something out or wait for the customer to get here. I'll let y'all know what we do. All right, so we couldn't get through, so we had to come back and set it up when he gets here because there's no way of getting in through those gates. All right, we made it to our next destination. He's taking it back there now. This will kind of suck sometimes. See, we gotta park all the way up front and then roll it all the way over here and set it up.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
We got that one done. On to the next. Next one's going right here. We got a water slide. Like it? Those are clowning. Oh. Ese del hospital. It was a chopper. Aquí y aquí estamos a como que 5 horas que quebra récord, güey. Todo el puto frío de allá viene para acá.
I'm walking alone.
There it is.
Alright, so we have made it to deliver the next order. It's a few chairs and the bouncy house. So we're gonna unload that and we'll get back to the video. Alright, we are headed to our next delivery, which is a water. So the boss decided to change the plans and we came back to the first spot we came since we were nearby. So we're gonna go ahead and set this one up, and once we're done setting up here, we're gonna head over to our last delivery for our truck, which is a water slide. So that's gonna be fun. Alright, y'all, so another change of plan. This customer is cutting the grass, so we'll have to come back again. But it's okay. Time to go leave the water slide, like we said in the past clip. Alright, I'm finishing tying this up so it can go up. They just plugged in the extension cord. That's what it's looking like. We'll be back.
Alright, so we had to switch vehicles. Got done with the ones we had in the other truck. We're all reliable right now. She's a little old, but she gets the job done, boys. Shout out to the last customer for the drink. Buenos dias. We're dropping off the next one. I didn't record much on the last one because we're kind of running behind and we're trying to get done. So I'm gonna play a little time lapse of this one. So for us, we're on our last one. The other crew's already done as well, but as you can see, they're still cutting the grass, so we gotta wait. So while we do that, we're gonna unload all the chairs and tables. Yeah. Alright, so we thought we were almost done, but we had one more order that we forgot to write down, so we're here dropping it off now. It's just chairs and tables, so it'll be quick and we'll be out. Shout out to the customers for blessing us today with all these drinks. Alright, my boys, so we're finally done dropping everything off for today, so it's time to get some lunch with the crew. I'll go ahead and check in with you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys, we're back at it. It's Sunday morning now and we're picking up the water slide because it gets rented again today, so we got to clean it. That's what we rented out. Oh, you want to air it up? Let me plug it in. I'm gonna air it up to get all the water out.
We'll take this one over here. Try to get the water off.
So I don't know if I already said this, but it's Labor Day weekend and we've been busy all weekend. Yesterday we just went to eat. After that little clip I put, we just relaxed because we knew we had to be up early because we got 5 more today, and they're wet and they're dirty, so we got to pick them up, clean them, and now we're gonna go pick the rest of them up. So we came to drop off the wet ones so the sun could dry them out, and then we're gonna continue to pick up the rest. Probably won't record too much of us picking them up just because I don't want to bore you guys. So once we pick them up, then we'll show you guys a little bit of the cleaning and all that. A little coffee to start the morning. But I'll just probably put a few clips in, quick little montage, little time lapse of us picking some up and dropping them off and cleaning them, and then I'll get back to you. All right, this is the one that's wet. Things are heavy. Whew, shit got away at least 200 or more pounds easily. This is an example of you and the guy she tells you not to worry about. There it is, we got it up, it's drying. We're gonna go pick up a few other orders, and when we come back we'll wipe it down, get all the grass off it, all the dirt, and we'll just continue doing the same thing with the other one, drop them off and pick up the rest and clean. So that's basically how our typical Sundays go. It's usually Sunday all the way to Monday or Tuesday most of the time. Here's our second stop. Looks like the party was a good time. Let me see. As we're picking up one of our last orders, this guy was showing us his garden, and he was nice enough to give us a bucket of pozole and some chiles.
Total comes to $94.71.
Thank you.
Yep.
Gotta feed the crew. Work truck is a bit dirty. So we're still out picking up orders, but we got word that the Union Pacific's Big Boy 4014. And it turns out that the train is on tour right now. It departed from Cheyenne, Wyoming on the 28th of August. And on Sunday the 1st, it took off from North Platte, Nebraska, and is now in Grand Island, Nebraska. Between 1941 and 1944, 25 of these were produced by a locomotive company. When around that time, it cost about $265,000 to build them. And today it's nearly $4 million. But this one here was retired in December of 1961 after traveling like over 1 million something miles. And so now it just goes on tour. But all right, we gotta get back to work. I'll just roll this clip of it taking off and then catch you guys on the next clip. Alright guys, so we're finally done picking everything up. Now comes the most boring, and for me, the part that I hate the most is cleaning everything. Look at all these. There's still, we got the U-Haul over there. All these chairs. We got 2 of them clean. We got these full. That's full. 2, 4, plus whatever's in that U-Haul. Probably put a couple time lapse, and then I'll get back with you guys once we're done cleaning everything. It's a seafood day for the crew. Oh yeah.
Allá en Fisher Prices para los niños.
These are just some of the ones we got to clean today. Yep. And 7 in the morning, we're still here. All these chairs all I'm on clean. Yo, hold on. Oh, all these tables. Look at that. We got a whole thing of tables there. More in the U-Haul.
The white truck.
The white truck.
Full of chairs.
You think you're gonna open up your own business? Gotta think twice, buddies. I've been here since 7 in the morning, boy. That's how empty we are. We got the homie Jesse right here helping today. We're never this empty. Usually that shit's full of chairs and tables. And this whole wall is full of bouncy houses. These are the ones we brought back. God is good. It's been a good weekend. Good morning, guys. So it is now Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. Fortunately for us, we still got to work today. This is part of running a family business, small family business. The grind don't stop. But I'll probably end the video here because we're just gonna be doing a lot of cleaning. I don't want to bore you guys, but I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. I got some more adventures coming up. I got some more trips planned. I'll try to do like a week of this and a week of like traveling or something, just to keep my channel active, you know. But I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.